right. Hey man, see man. Wait. Let me tell you all the lore. Kung bakit ako nakapang-alis right now, right? But wait, let me cook. Oh, you're just my type. Ooh, yeah. It's hard as a bitch. Oh, you're just my type. Everything from mine. I'm gonna bring this. We need this too. We need tripod. I mean, good morning y'all. I think it's already 12. What we're gonna do today is gagawa tayo ng content. Gagawa tayo ng short content para sa toy car natin. Kasi may nakita lang ako na content and then pwede ko siyang gawin. I mean, may napanood akong content and naisip ko na, oh, what the fuck, pwede ko siyang gawin. What the hell? Because I have a toy car, I have a project car, pwede ko siya gawin. And you'll see this, we have pang-charge ng battery, pang-air pump, vacuum, tripod. Complete. So yeah, gagawa tayo ng short content para sa TikTok, tungkol sa toy car, and then, what the fuck? That voice is crazy. And then, yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. And then, papanood ko sa inyo yung napanood kong short content sa TikTok na gagayahin ko types. Kasi napanood ko lang siya sa So, yeah, Lego bot. I told you earlier, it's already 12. I haven't ate anything, so dadaan muna tayo sa McDo para bumili ng lunch natin. And then, yeah, tire shit, right? Tatry natin gumawa ng short vlog para sa TikTok, like 30 seconds vlog lang. And then yeah, I think this will work too because yes, I have an interesting project car. And then yeah, I think magugustuhan ng mga tao yung project car ko because it's really a project car. So yeah, type shit. I'm gonna show you all the TikTok that I saw last night. Nagagayahin ko. Type shit.
Good morning, welcome to our drive-thru. Can I take your order, please?
Isa pong double Big Mac.
Bali, isang double Big Mac.
Opo, with large fries and large Sprite.
Large na po yung drinks po nila, tapos yung
Yes.
Sprite po.
Large fries and large Sprite. Yes po.
Bali na po yung drinks po nila.
Sprite po large.
Sprite po.
Yes.
Wait lang po. First window na lang po, thank you po.
Oh, Iguchi atakin put some lulons, but Iguchi. Maso, habang naghihintay tayo, dahil baka matagal pa, papanood ko lang sa inyo yung napanood kong, yung gagayahin kong content para sa toy car natin, yo. Wait. I think her name is Ginny Hazel. Wait. See that shit? So yeah, yun yung gagayahin nating content para sa toy car natin. Y'all see, it's a dub content, right? Dub content. Not that bad though. So yeah, because parehas kami ng problema. Hindi nag-i-start yung kotse. May battery pero, may kuryente pero hindi nag-i-start yung kotse. Like what the hell? But yeah, tatry ko yun mamaya sa toy car natin, right? Pero gagawa ko rin ng content. Tapos si Charon Sen, you know me. Tayo si. Oh, card payment ko. Kuya, message me. What the hell? Wait lang. May tissue po. Extra tissue po. Thank you. We Gucci in this bit. Amen. Oh my god. Fuck my phone, y'all. I can't even use my 16 Pro Max for vlogging. I can't even use them right now. What the fuck? It's overheating. Yeah, 16 Pro Max problems. Let's go do our little skit. Let's do our little skit, right? See that shit? Let me prepare my cereal quick, right? Oh wait, let me put mic in this bit. Oh wait. The content is making me look crazy. Alright, Twin, it's working. Be Gucci. It's working. Be Gucci. I really can't use my 16 Pro Max, so. Because it's dying. What if all of a sudden, biglang mag-start tong kotse? What the fuck? Wait, how can we start? PUB, daily or project car, right? I'm gonna start. Oh, wait. Oh my god, papalambutin ko tong gulong para sa content? What the fuck? Am I that crazy? Yes, I am that crazy, girl. I want clout. Let me do that shit. Papalambutin ko yung sarili kong gulong para sa content. I am crazy. What the fuck? Am I really doing this? Tapos nasira ko yung gulong na. What the fuck? Dahil sa content. More. We can do more. Oh my god, I am crazy, yo. What the fuck? The content is making me look crazy. Oh my god. Let's go. And then, gagawa lang tayo ng mga 30 seconds. 30 seconds vid lang. Let's see if this angle is good. Let me try. I'm gonna just start them like this. Okay, the angle is good. Yeah, the angle is good. Tight. What if all of a sudden this shit starts? What the fuck? Oh my god, guys. One more try. Fuck. What happened? Oh my god, I'm fucked. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, it started. What the fuck? Oh my god, it started. It started. Wait. It's really starting. Wait. But now we can start it, y'all. It's flat. Oh my god, the content is making me look crazy, y'all. It's flat. We can start them. You shouldn't start. What the fuck? Why is it starting? Why is it cranking? What the fuck? The content is making me look crazy. But yeah, at least I have my clip. I only need 5 seconds on that bitch. What we need next? Oh my god, the content is making me look crazy, y'all. I'm a good actor, what the fuck? Oh my god, now it's flat. What the fuck? Ain't this shit flat? Oh my god. Let me see. Oh my God. Oh my God. The content is making me look crazy. Ba't nag-start yung kotse? Narinig nyo, nag-crank yung kotse, pero hindi ko tinuloy. Kasi, the content is making me look crazy. What the hell eh? Dapat hindi siya mag-i-start. What the fuck? The content is making me look crazy. What the fuck? But check this out, y'all. Check this out. Tingnan niyo kung gaano ako galing umarte. Ay. Tingnan niyo, tingnan niyo, tingnan niyo. Oh my... And then here's the, when I starting my car. Pag di ka nag-expect na mag-i-start yung kotse, biglang mag-i-start yung kotse. What the fuck? Nakailang punta ako dito para i-try, para testingin kung start, hindi nag-i-start. Pero ngayon na, gagawa ako ng content kasi sira, biglang nag-start. What the fuck? The content is making me look crazy, yo. Ain't gonna lie. And then, kukuha pa tayo ng isang klipan ng i-try pa ulit natin siya i-start. Para sana mag-start. Bakit ko wini-wish na mag-start? What the fuck? Nang isang araw, wini-wish ko sana mag-start. Tapos ngayon, wini-wish ko, wag mag-start. The content really making me look crazy, yeah. But yeah, I think magugustuhan din ng mga tao kasi kakaiba yung project car ko and she like that. And then, yeah, type shit. Oh. Ayaw pa rin mag-start. Oh my God, the content is making me look crazy. Ayaw pa rin mag-start. What the fuck? What the fuck? Ayaw pa rin mag-start. Alright, be Gucci on our short shit. Be Gucci. And now, let's try to start them, yeah. Really start them. Because I just heard them crank earlier. Is it still recording or you over it already? Let's see what you got. Ngayon ka mag-start. Tapos na ako sa content ko. Ngayon ka mag-start, right? Ngayon ka mag-start, please. Please. Now I'm fucked again. Now, natuyuan na naman siya ng gas. I need to chop him, But how can I do it when I'm all by myself? Nice one. But yeah, ipapagawa pa rin natin yung starter niya. Kasi minsan hindi siya maandar, so we can grease that shit, right? Dapat pala nagdala ako ng tubig. Iyahin lang natin siya mag-start. Papainitin muna natin. Double Big Mac. Ito talaga yung lagi ko in-order pag gusto ko mag-heavy meal and ayoko mag-rice. Double Biggies. Double Biggies. Type shit. Double Big Mac for the win. So yeah, yan yung gagawin ko ngayon. Like, mag-upload ako ng mga short vlogs sa TikTok ko ng mga 3 TikToks per week type shit. Yeah. Yeah, mga short vlog lang. And then i-upload ko siya sa main TikTok ko, yo. It's at Mark Rowell lang. At Mark Rowell. Yeah, that's my TikTok, Mark Rowell. Yun yung main TikTok ko. And then, yeah, yun yung gagawin kong main type shit. And then maghahanap tayo ng mga car guys dito sa lugar namin. Maghahanap tayo ng mga car guys para makasama tayo sa mga car meet minsan. Right? Is that good? Is that good? Pero yung car meet na dito lang dapat. Car meet around my city lang. Dapat kasi lilinisin ko pa tong kotse. Nandun yung isang kotse. Kasi akala ko hindi siya mag-i-start. So, hindi na muna natin sila linisin. I-ayos ko lang ng park to and then punta tayo sa daddy ko. Kasi today is Father's Day, yo. And then, nakita nyo ilang araw ko itong tinatry start, right? And then, hindi siya nag-i-start. Pero ngayong Father's Day, tinry natin, bigla nag-start. That means, Dad's helping me, yo. Dad is helping me. Tapak it up. Oh, you're just my type. Everything feels right. Oh my God, thank you so much. Oh, you're just my type. Everything feels right. Oh, you're just my type. my God. L driver, L parking. L driver, L parking. Ang dumi niya. How see that? Kasi may puno ng chiko dyan. Yeah, kaya sobrang dumi niya. Pero lilinisin natin to next time, right? Next time, not this time, right? Kung gusto niyo makita yung short vlog ko, I mean, papakita ko sa inyo yung short vlog ko. Pagka-edit ko, I don't know kung ilalagay ko na sa clip na to ngayon. But yeah, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Pero naka-portrait yun, hindi naka-landscape. Kasi para sa TikTok siya. And then, kung gusto niyo pa makita yung mga ibang short vlog na gagawin ko, follow niyo ako sa TikTok at Mark Rowell. Type shit, right? At Mark Rowell, at Mark Rowell, at Mark Rowell sa TikTok. Follow me, y'all. Follow me. So right now, let me just chill real quick, y'all. Because the content making me look crazy. And then yeah, type shit.
Where your roid at? Bitch, you lagging out shit? You think they capping out? You think they rapping out shit?